Welcome back to the channel, guys. I know you guys have been wondering what I've been up to, and I definitely have a special new video for you today. We have obtained a sponsor. So Firmoo is our new sponsor. For today's video, we are going to be highlighting a new model of glasses that it's out. It is the S94039, right? And if you guys are not familiar with Firmoo, they are a glasses company founded back in 2009. They were formed by a group of opticians, and their mission is to make all of their glasses stylish and affordable for everyone. So these glasses were shipped from a storage facility in Jamaica, Queens, New York, right? So let's check them out. This box here, this packaging, you know, it's really soft, silvery, so really cool to look at, and it's bubble wrap, right? So it's dual purpose, it's safe and cool to look at. So when you take out this case here, you're gonna see the standard Firmoo branding. It says you define your look, and it's a hard case, right? Right, so check that out. And right when you open it up, I mean, you're gonna see all of the branding here. So the first thing you're gonna see is 50% off code here, right? So you're gonna get a $10 voucher or $3 cash as a reward for using this. Throw that down. This here, 50% off frames. So guys, screenshot that, get that QR code. Firmoo gift card, best gift for best friends. Check out the back, boom. This here, so you're gonna see the world in a better sight. So new vision, light up the world. It's gonna show you maintaining eye care, adapting to new glasses, the cleaning care, right? And it's gonna have all of their social medias here, right? So you're gonna see the Instagram, you're gonna see the YouTube, you're gonna see the Facebook and the X, all of the places that you can reach our sponsor, Firmoo. This case here, it doubles as a cleaning cloth and a pouch. So you can keep those safe, store them in your pocket. Where's my pocket? Keep those safe, store them in your pocket here, right? And let's check out the actual glasses. Right, so I got mine in silver with the black lens. So let me just show you guys just how well these polarized lenses work. I mean, check out the difference. You guys can see it's a super bright day. So the width of these glasses is 133 millimeters. The lens is, I believe, 55 millimeters, and the nose bridge is 18 millimeters, right? So they don't have a spring hinge, right? So it allows for the glasses to be much lighter. I think they only weigh 15 grams, guys. So stylish and lightweight. So check those out. Let me know what you guys think. So here's like a side profile, right? Front view. I like black lenses because they match with everything, right? So if you want to wear them and you're dressed formally, if you want to wear them and you're dressed casually, if you want to wear them and you're dressed, what's the one where it's like not professional, but not casual, semi-professional? You guys let me know down in the comments. But I mean, check those out. Shout out to Firmoo for these. They were originally $41.99. They're on sale. They're 29% off right now, and I think that makes them $29.99, right? And then you guys also have the opportunity to use my 50% discount code that I'm gonna put right here. So definitely stay tuned and utilize that code, and then check out our future videos because we're gonna have them as a sponsor in many of our new travel vlog videos that are coming out soon. Hint, hint. So stay tuned for our new videos, and I look forward to working with our new Firmoo sponsor. Peace.